Good morning, students. How are you? Okay, fine. My dear students, last video we have discussed the different products of the forest. Now, today we will discuss deforestation, its harmful effects. We know that forests are very useful for the mankind. However, some of us cut down tree in an unplanted manners due to their own selfish interest. This is neither right nor desirable. What do you mean by deforestation? Deforestation is when humans remove or clear large area of the forest, lands and related ecosystem for their use. For example, farming purpose and the urban use. In these cases, trees are never replanted. Now, question is arise, why do some men cut trees? There are different reasons man cut trees. First one is need more land to make houses, industries and for agriculture. Next reason is need wood for the construction. Next reason is some need some tree for the specific use which they cut without planting more of them. Now these are the some activities, such activities that are leading to the drastic reductions in the forest covered on earth. The government has made law according to which cutting down of the tree is a punishable offense. When some trees need to be cut, a large number of the tree must be planted. Here, some harmful effects of the deforestation. Cutting down of the tree by the man is very harmful. It leads to the different harmful effects. First one, decrease in the rainfall in the surrounding areas. Increase in the amount of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere that can increase the global warming. Decrease in the level of the groundwater in the nearby areas. Increase in the soil erosion that can cause the more frequent floods. These can result in the widespread destructions of the habitat of a number of the plants and animals. Now, question is arise, how to protect the forest? You know that only 20% of the world ancient forests are left. A forest of the size of a football field disappear every 2 seconds. Throughout the world, forests are in danger form because many plants and animals that live in these forests are disappearing fast. Many peoples and the cultures that depend on forest for their way of life are also under threat. Now, our Indian government in 1980, they act the Forest Conservation Act. During this Forest Conservation Act, if anybody found to cutting the tree in illegal way, then this government is punishable. Now, your assignment of this topic is, what do you mean by deforestation and its harmful effects? Tomorrow we will meet again. The topic again, how to protect the forest in detail study. Thank you so much.